For the first time, we are hearing from the man caught on camera being assaulted by LA County Sheriff's deputies. The man now filing a claim against the Sheriff's Department.
Now, that man is a well-known civil rights attorney. Marla Tea is here with details on that.
Alex and Christine, the man arrested last weekend in Inglewood is Blake Anderson. He says he was working as a security guard when LA County Sheriff's deputies assaulted him without cause. Well, today, Anderson spoke alongside his famous civil rights attorney, Ben Crump.
As I was doing my job, the police just brutally attacked me for no reason. So I asked them, what did I do? What did I do? And as I yell out, what did I do? They just slam my head and throw punches.
Not just excessive force, but brutality. When you look at that video, I'm sure everybody will agree that they're slamming his head into the ground repeatedly. What kind of training is that?
So here's that video. It shows the moments a deputy punches Anderson in the head and slams his head into the pavement. That will happen a little bit later. You can see that. You can hear witnesses telling Anderson not to resist. Those witnesses telling the deputies Anderson was there working at the Good Batch Hookah Lounge in Inglewood as a security guard. They also say Anderson isn't armed. His family says Anderson is now going to lose his right eye. A GoFundMe page for Anderson set up by his family, that's what you're looking at here, states he had a pre-existing eye injury. LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva says this incident is being investigated.
The person was actually a victim of an assault in Long Beach a month prior, which he sustained a major injury, and we hope he can recover from that. But he is a convicted felon. He was armed, and there was a struggle, and there's a use of force is being properly investigated as a Category 3 use of force, and we'll take appropriate action based on the results of the investigation.
The Sheriff's Department released this photo of the gun they say Anderson was armed with. Anderson is now facing several felony charges, including felon in possession of a firearm and assault on a peace officer with a firearm. Well, today, Anderson right here took off his protective glasses to show his eye injury. He was also using a wheelchair because of other bodily injuries he says he sustained during Sunday's early morning arrest. Now, Attorney Crump says he is sending letters to both the California Attorney General and the Department of Justice asking for the use of force incident to be investigated. Crump says that he is pushing for transparency and justice for Anderson. And Alex and Christine, that GoFundMe page, they're asking for $30,000 to help cover the medical expenses, but also his legal fees. It's up to about $22,000 at this point.
So the sheriff has been on our show many times, often vocal about different issues, but saying the investigation needs to play out before he really weighs in on it.
Exactly. I mean, that was his stance. We asked for an updated statement from him today after Ben Crump came forward. He said, just please refer to my statement. When he held the press conference just a couple of days ago, he addressed it then. So that's the sound that you just heard there.
All right, Marla Tea, thanks for that.